Well, with the NRL's Sydney game set to resume here at Bankwest Stadium on Friday night, there's some innovative thinking in place on COVID safety for down the track involving this drone behind me. Now, trials are underway here at Bankwest using the drone to spray the stadium ahead of events, including seats and walkways. At the moment, they're using water to test how thorough the method is. There is work underway at the University of Queensland on an aqueous ozone material to gauge its effectiveness in killing off COVID. The machine can spray 1,000 seats every 4 minutes, much quicker and more effective than using cleaners. The drones have been used successfully for beach shark spotting and more recently to locate stricken wildlife in bushfire areas. Now they're being used ahead of the possibility of fans returning to stadiums.
It's a first step. It's a little step in some regards, but in some respects it's a major step because it is really just part of the whole recovery for this live event space.
Bankwest is one of the first tests as the NRL brings the game back without fans for now, but with ambitions for them to return as soon as July. The drone operators say if that happens, they're confident they can be ready.